welcome to the Arctic Business News. Calls from the CEO of Wilson and Brown to resign are only increasing as investors continue to dump the company's stock. The value of the Arctic's third largest oil and gas insurer has dropped significantly, sparking calls for a vote of no confidence by the board. Representatives from the Wilson and Brown continue to reassure investors that the sustained recent spate of the iceberg-related disasters, including the Marzan oil spill and the sinking of the Christiansand, couldn't have been foreseen. However, the stock will continue to plummet as long as the company is forced to cover the costs related to the serious disasters. In other news, King Red, one of Alaska's largest fishing companies, is to be bought by the Canadian firm Northwestern. Both companies have agreed to a deal that sees the Northwestern purchasing the debit and vessels of the King Red at a price significantly less than the market value. King Red was badly hit by the so-called crab conflict that affected the industries last year. Confrontations between American and Canadian fishing fleets in the Beaufort Sea caused the king of crab to drop by 65%, as consumers sought to voice their displeasures with military involved in the disputes. It is hoped that merger of the King and the Northwestern will go some way towards rebuilding the damaged relationships between the fishing industries of these two Arctic boundaries nations. And finally, the ARC Mining, the second largest mining research contractor in Norway, has continued its growth for the second month running. This sustained rise the company value. It is largely due to the continued excitement over Svalbard's mineral potential. Results of an independent toxicology report on the 24th beluga whales that were found dead on the south of Svalbard last month will be released in the coming days. If the tests show that the beluga deaths were due to the elimination toxicity, it would seem to confirm the presence of the vast deposits of lithium of the Svalbard coast. This news continues to drive up the price of land on the island, and mining companies from the countries including Britain, Germany and Finland are seeing an increasing interest in their stock. From all of us here at Arctic Business News, good evening.